Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new box to show you guys. I'm super excited when I get brand new boxes, but I have April's LookFantastic beauty box. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my April LookFantastic beauty box just arrived. This is the very first time showing a LookFantastic beauty box. I have got some of their limited edition, the egg from last year, the advent calendars, that kind of thing, but I've never actually got their monthly subscription beauty box. They actually reached out to me and asked if I'd be willing to show you guys one of their boxes on my channel. So thank you so much for sending me this box right now to review. If you guys don't know about LookFantastic, they are a monthly beauty subscription box. It's $18 if you do 3 months, $17 if you do 6 months, $16 if you do 12 months, or if you want to just do a month to month, it is $19 per month. All different types is free shipping internationally. So if you do a month to month for the 19, it's free shipping, or if you go all the way down to the 12 consecutive months to save money, it's still free shipping. You get to choose from a 1, 3, 6, or 12 month rolling subscription plan with free international delivery, monthly billing. Your subscription will auto renew at the end of your chosen subscription period. You can opt out or pause your account at any time. You'll receive a curated collection of 6 beauty products with a guarantee worth of over $60. A beauty experience that covers cult favorites to trendy beauty brands. Discover the LookFantastic beauty box today. So let's go ahead and see what is going to be in here. This is how it was delivered to me. I don't know if they come in like the little boxes inside, but we're gonna find out right now. Yes, so it's in this little box, and this one is still available. If you do want to get April's box, you can definitely check it out. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So again, this is April's box. I really like that this is a reusable container. You can always use these boxes for storage or anything like that. So let's get inside. When you open it up, there is a pamphlet on the top, and then there's tissue paper with their logo. And when you open it up, there is the presentation with all of the goodies inside. Okay, so since I've never got a LookFantastic, I don't know what's all in here, but there's this really good size booklet, and it says tips, reviews, quizzes, and interviews. All of that. So I don't know if they go over pricing or anything. It does look like it goes over each item, and it tells you what they are worth as far as, it doesn't have the US pricing, but we'll definitely see. So let's go ahead and see what kind of products we have inside. The first thing that I am seeing, which I believe this is valued at $25 US by itself. It is saying $28.99, and I'm assuming that's UK pricing. It has like this little, where is it at? It has that little symbol. I think that's UK pricing. But I know I did see on their website that this was valued at $25 by itself. So this product alone is more than the entire box. So this is a Bella Pierre Cosmetics Peach Bloom Eyeshadow Palette. It does have a mirror. It has a little plastic. And then the colors look like that. So there's 4 different colors. Those, I think you could do a really pretty look with that, because it does have a like lighter color. It has the peaches, and then there's like a darker color. So that is really pretty. So here's the first thing, which is an eyeshadow palette. So then the next thing in here is this guy right here. It says Smooth Skin Science Transforming Body Lotion. Okay. And this says that it is a 30 milliliter, and it's $4 of UK pricing. So there's that guy. So I'm assuming it'll probably be like $3 US. It's a little bit less, I believe. And then we have is a Hydrate and Nourish Lotion Hydrate Skin Supplement. Let me find this one. This one is $5.58 UK. I'm assuming it's UK, I'm sorry, but it's not US value, that's for sure. So that is what it looks like on the inside. It says swipe over your skin using a cotton pad or apply directly with hands. Pat into face. This is a calming toner. Okay, so this is a toner. I'm glad I read that because it didn't say that on the actual box. So this is a calming toner. It's perfect for dry and sensitive skin, formulated to hydrate and repair your complexion after cleansing. It boosts cell renewal to encourage soft and subtle skin. So you can try this little guy out here for a toner, which that's awesome. Now we have is a coffee scrub exfoliating for buttery smooth, soft skin. And that's what that looks like. So this says that it is $9.95 UK, and it says give yourself a full caffeine kick from head to toe with this exfoliating body scrub made from freshly ground coffee as well as an array of natural ingredients. This scrub will remove dry, flaky skin to leave you feeling fresh, soft with more even skin tone. So that is like a decent size amount that's in there. So that's really neat. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it smells just like coffee and I haven't even opened it yet. All right, so, ooh, it smells amazing. You're gonna dark hole, hold on. Let's see if I can get, ooh. So it's just like coffee and it looks like there's like some sugar in there or something. It's a coffee scrub and it smells amazing. That smells so good. Let me get this closed. And again, that is valued at $9.95. There's still 2 more items in here, you guys. This one here is a Nourishing Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. It has this little thing right here of oil, and then here's a sheet mask in here. And it tells you exactly step by step on how to use it. And this is worth $9 UK. So I would assume maybe like $7 or $8 US, but that's just me assuming. So there's that. This says, get your glow back with this Star Skin Facial Sheet Mask, a dual part treatment that effectively targets dry, dull skin to soothe and restore your natural radiance. So it says how to use on dry, clean skin. Break step 1, the oil capsule, massage into your face. Follow with step 2, the mask, leave on for 15 minutes. Remove and pat in the remaining oils. So I'm really excited to try that. And then the last item in here is Slanted tweezers. And I know I could always use some good tweezers. And that is what the packaging looks like. And this is valued at $8. It says these high quality stainless steel tweezers allow for precise and effortless brow maintenance. And it has step by step. Let's see what they look like. So they are slanted and it has like this little pink handle with their name on it. And yeah, those feel like they're gonna be really nice. Slanted tweezers. Let's see if I can find a little, yeah, alrighty. Yeah, it's pulling some hairs, so it's doing a good job. I hate when I use tweezers and it's like, I can't even grab one little tiny hair when that's that one little hair that's bugging me. So that is everything that came in this April beauty box, you guys. We have these really cool slanted tweezers. We have a 2-step mask. We have a coffee body scrub. We have a toner. We have a peach bloom eyeshadow palette. And then there is a body lotion. That's a lot of stuff, you guys. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, have you heard of LookFantastic's beauty box? Have you got it before? Do you currently get it? Do you want to get it? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. I do like that this box is valued under $20, especially right now. That is on the cheaper price point and you get to try out some amazing products. Some are full size, some are travel size, but you get everything with under $20 and free shipping. So again, thank you so much, Look Fantastic, for sending me your box to review and to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys watching my video and tuning in. So thank you so much for that. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.